Hello children, a warm welcome to our channel KCYC. Today we are going to learn a new chapter in geography, that is location and extent. We have learned about many historical and geographical facts about India in the last classes. But in this textbook, if you might have observed, you might have seen there is a comparison between India and Brazil. Now, the question is, why Brazil and not any other country? Why Brazil only was chosen for the comparative study? See children, some criteria were given consideration while choosing Brazil to study. The first one, the country which will be chosen should not be highly developed or underdeveloped. The country shouldn't be located in the same hemisphere. India lies in the northern hemisphere, so the country which will be chosen for the comparative study shouldn't lie in the northern hemisphere. Next one, it shouldn't be the part of the same continent. India being in the Asian continent, the country chosen shouldn't be the part of the same continent. Then there should be some dissimilarities as well as some similarities between the two countries. There should be natural and cultural diversity as we find in India. And the most important fact that it should have democratic form of government. Based on this concept, Brazil was chosen for the comparative studies. In this book, we are going to study location and extent, physiography, climate, natural vegetation, population, transportation, as well as tourism and many other facts about both the countries. Let us now take a close look at the world map. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans. Now let us name them one by one. Move your fingers as we move. The first continent is Asia, in which India lies. The second one, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica and Europe. Now let us find the oceans. There are in all 5 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean and the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean is the newest ocean recognized by the International Hydrographic Organization in the year 2000. Now find out the equator. The equator is the longest latitude lying at 0 degree. Okay. Now the equator divides the earth into 2 hemispheres. The part above the equator is known as the northern hemisphere and the part below the equator is known as the southern hemisphere. In the same way, the prime meridian, the 0 degree longitude, divides the earth into eastern and the western hemisphere. Okay, now let us look at the location of Brazil and India. To learn about any country, we should first know the location and then extent of the country. Now let us take a closer look at the map. The map clearly shows the equator, the 0 degree latitude. If you see, India lies above the equator. That means India lies in the northern hemisphere. As said earlier, the prime meridian, that is 0 degree longitude, divides the earth into eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. As compared, India lies in the eastern hemisphere. So we come to the conclusion that India lies in the northern hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere of the earth. Now if you study the extent of India. India lies in the 8 degrees and 4 minutes north latitude to 37 degrees and 6 minutes north latitude. And then longitudinally the extent is 68 degrees and 7 minutes east longitude to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. Look at this map. Brazil is highlighted in this map. A closer look at this map will help you to locate Brazil easily. You can also easily find the extent of Brazil. You will observe that some part of Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere while most of the part of the Brazil falls in the southern hemisphere. The Brazil lies in the western hemisphere in northern part of the South American continent. To find the extent, observe the latitudes and longitudes. Brazil's extent is 5 degrees 15 minutes north to 33 degrees and 45 minutes south latitude, and between 34 degrees and 45 minutes west to 70 degrees and 48 minutes west longitude. We have studied about the location and extent of Brazil as well as India. Now let us find the countries that border India and the countries that form border with Brazil. India has a land frontier of 15,200 km. India shares its border with 7 countries. Afghanistan and Pakistan form the northwest boundary of India. China, Bhutan and Nepal are to the north, while Myanmar to the far east and Bangladesh to the east of India. The total length of the coastline of the mainland, Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Island is about 7,516.6 km, that is 7,517 kilometers. Indira Point, that is 6 degrees north and 45 minutes, is the southernmost tip of India which was submerged during tsunamis. Children, always remember that you cannot by heart the answers and be done with it in geography. Geography tests your observation skill. You need to observe the map, read it and then fill it. Map reading and map filling are the important questions that form the part of the board exam. Now, for that, let us study each and every state of India. Repeat the name of the state after me and try to locate it in the map given in your book on page 10. First state, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and West Bengal. Try to locate these states on the map of India and you will be asked questions based on these states. We have seen that 7 countries of the world share a border with India. Look at the map and observe it closely and find the states of India that share the border with this country. You will notice that Afghanistan, which is to the northwest of India, shares its border with Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan, which is also in the northwest of India, shares its border with Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Gujarat, and Rajasthan. Bangladesh, forming the eastern boundary, shares its border with West Bengal, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Assam. Bhutan shares its borders with Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Sikkim, and West Bengal. China too forms the border with Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. Myanmar shares its border with Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, and Nagaland. Nepal shares the border with Sikkim, West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. Observe the map on page 11 of your geography textbook. The map gives the state boundaries, international boundaries, as well as capitals of the nation of Brazil. The borders of the Brazil are the international borders that Brazil shares with the neighboring countries. Brazil has borders with 10 countries. The countries are French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana, and Venezuela form the north border. Colombia is to the northwest of Brazil. Peru and Bolivia form the west border of Brazil, whereas Paraguay, Argentina, and Uruguay form the southwest and south borders of Brazil. Atlantic Ocean lies to the east of Brazil. Brazil has the coastline of 7,491 kilometers. Brazil shares its boundary with all the country in South America with the exception of Chile and Ecuador, totaling 16,885 kilometers of land. Brazil has the world's third longest land border behind China and Russia. Take a closer look at the map of Brazil given in your textbook and repeat the name of the states after me. While repeating, don't forget to locate the states with your finger. Now repeat: Amapá, Roraima, Amazonas, Acre, Para, Rondônia, Mato Grosso, Maranhão, Ceará, Rio Grande do Norte, Paraíba, Pernambuco, Alagoas, Sergipe, Piauí, Bahia, Tocantins, Goiás, Minas Gerais, Espírito Santo, Mato Grosso do Sul, São Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, Paraná, Santa Catarina, and Rio Grande do Sul. These are the states of Brazil. Here we see the national flags of both the countries, that is India and Brazil. You are already familiar with the Indian tricolor with the Ashok Chakra in the center. The second flag is the national flag of Brazil. Children, we have seen that many criteria were considered while selecting Brazil for the comparative study of India. Both the countries, India and Brazil, have somewhat historical background which is similar. India, as you all know, was ruled by the British for almost 1.5 centuries. India gained its freedom after a long freedom struggle in the year 1947. India has faced many difficulties. India has faced 3 wars and famine condition which almost broke up its economic status. In spite of this, India has come out of it and it has known as the major developing country. If we observe the population pyramid of India and Brazil, we will see that the youth population being very high in India, India is looked upon as a younger country. If we come to Brazil, Brazil was ruled by the Portuguese for more than 3 centuries and gained independence in the year 1822. Then it has overcome many financial difficulties in the late 20th century. In spite of this, Brazil has struggled a lot and is the contributor to the economic growth of the world, an important market in future. Below the pictures of the national flags of India and Brazil given on page 9, some clues in order to identify these countries are given. In fact, these clues form the important characteristics of these both countries. The clues tell us that India is the second largest populated country in the world, while Brazil is the 5th largest populated country in the world. India is well known for spices in the world since ancient time, whereas Brazil is famous for samba dance. Hockey, is the national game of India, but the most popular sport in India is cricket. Brazil is the leading producer and exporter of coffee, and therefore it is known as the coffee fort of the world. Football is the popular sport in Brazil. Let us now sum up this chapter with the information about the emblems of India and Brazil. The national emblem of India is an adaptation of the lion capital atop the Ashoka pillar of Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh, and is combined with the national motto Satyameva Jayate. The lion capital was adopted as the national emblem of India on January 26, 1950. This national emblem of India acts as the official seal for all national and state government offices. You have seen this emblem on all the currency notes as well as on all the diplomatic identification documents issued by the Republic of India. The national emblem is the symbol of sovereignty for India. Actually, Brazil does not use a proper coat of arms but uses given emblem or logo. The emblem was adopted on November 19, 1889 and changed for the last time on May 28, 1968. It shows the Southern Cross in a blue circle. The rings of 27 stars that we see on this emblem, it represent Brazil's 26 states and the federal district. The whole is placed on a star and surrounded by coffee at the left and tobacco at the right branches, which are important crops in Brazil. The blue ribbon contains the official name of Brazil. Here we come to the end of this chapter 2, location and extent. In the next chapter, we will come across the physiography and drainage of India and Brazil.